here and I couldn't be happier. I ordered Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K camera. I ordered it, I called B&H and then I called Adorama. B&H told me like 4 months, Adorama told me like 2 or 3 months. So I went ahead and got it from Adorama, whatever. And 11 days later it shipped. It was supposed to be my birthday present, which is in June, but it's here now. So this is really exciting, and we're just opening it up. Yep, you gotta love the packaging. Tons of packaging. A nice air bubble wrap. All on one side while the camera sits right on the edge of the box. So that's one strike for Adorama. Never bought anything from them. Don't like the way they package things, obviously. But I don't see any signs of damage on the box. There it is, man. I'm staring at it. There's no mistaking what this bad boy is. Gotta wait a little later. Post office is coming with a solid state drive before we can record any 4K. Because I don't have any CFast cards or UHS-2 cards. So if you want to see more about this Pocket 4K camera, be sure to subscribe to the channel because we're going to be shooting with it a lot.
Yeah.
Alright, we got the welcome little pamphlet here and the SD card with software and manuals on it. And yeah, I actually probably will read the entire manual. I just finished a book I've been reading. Star Wars Thrawn series, Timothy Zahn, the new ones. Oh, awesome. Read them. I just finished reading those, so now I got nothing until the Obi-Wan, Qui-Gon books come out. Yeah, I'm a huge Star Wars nerd. So until that comes out in like 2 weeks. So I'll actually be reading this manual on my Kindle. We got DaVinci Resolve 15 Studio. I was really looking forward to this. This was actually something that I really justified the price with too, because obviously I am a little bit more budget than a lot of these guys on YouTube. But I really wanted Resolve because I finally canceled Adobe, and so I really wanted the full version of Resolve. So this is the serial number on the back. You don't get to see. So just like the original Pocket Cinema camera, and I assume probably all the other Blackmagics, they come with all the international ports, which I think is really cool, and not enough companies do that stuff. Got our battery, power cord. Oh, there she is. Oh my gosh. You know, you've seen it in the holy crap. You see it in the videos. You're watching this, and it just, you know that it's big, right? It's not the old Pocket Cinema camera like I used to have. But man, this is way bigger than I thought it was. The screen is huge. Oh my gosh. Ah, this is amazing. So, definitely super excited. This thing is really well built. It feels really good. And it's definitely way bigger than I thought it would be. Man, it is a lot bigger, and it's really nice. It's not, you don't need a tiny Pocket Cinema camera. That was kind of pitched to us in a weird way. I like that it has more weight to it. I think it's like almost double the weight. I definitely like that it has more weight to it. It'll be easier to get some handheld shots. And honestly, you don't need a teeny tiny Pocket Cinema camera. If you're doing cinematic work, something even this small that you can throw in your backpack and pull out real quick is definitely still a huge benefit over something like an Ursa. So this thing is really, really nice. Yeah, like I said, the build quality is actually really good. I was worried about that because they're saying they're going with like a polycarbonate or something, you know, plasticky type material, not any metal, and you know, you kind of always worry about that, but it still feels very solid and very, very good. The grip, I love this. It just feels so natural in my hand. This thing's gonna be sweet. I like that they've got a lot more buttons, a dial over here, and yeah, they got this front button, I guess, for like to hit record there. But I don't know how many people are like going to be consistently vlogging with this, but I will, just to show you. So check out that. I'll definitely do like I think I did one with the old Pocket Cinema out in the woods. We'll go back out in the woods with this, and we'll do some vlogging with the cinema camera. But yeah, So it's real nice. You got your SD card and your CFast in here. I like this mechanism there, pretty solid. Over here, a lot of people are like complaining like, oh, what do I do? How do I get them open? They're so clunky. It's really not. Open it, turn it, right? Open it, turn it. You know, I was kind of thinking, would I have liked to have something like this over there on that side? I think so. I like this. It feels good. But if you're gonna rig it out, you're probably gonna have them open and have your cable locks on there anyways, so whatever. But yeah, overall this thing feels really nice. So the screen, I mean, you can't, that thing's awesome. It's huge. Let's throw a battery in this, man. Turn this sucker on, slide it over. There she is. Menu, still got Cinema D&G, so now they have a firmware for Blackmagic Raw, so I'll definitely have to update that. But the menu is so nice. It's apparently the same as the Ursa. I've never had that, but I really like it. It makes sense. I hated the Blackmagic Pocket, the original Pocket Cinema Cameras menu. It was just, didn't like it. You can load in LUTs, which is kind of a cool thing. I mean, lots of cool things, especially over the last Pocket Cinema. This is a huge upgrade to that. Let's throw a quick lens on here. It's just a pancake. I don't have any focus on this. Will it focus? Yeah, it'll still focus it. There we are, checking out the Blackmagic website. Yeah, see I'm already in the red battery. I didn't charge the battery, it was whatever's in there. And I got a couple batteries. You got it's just like Blackmagic anything, you gotta get a whole bunch of accessories, but it still comes out way cheaper than any competition that can come close to the quality. Dual native ISO, 400 and 3200, that's pretty sweet. So yeah, dude, I'm super excited to unbox this, and I'm ready to play with it. So that's what I'm going to go do. I'll throw some sample footage at the end of this video for you guys to check out. But then I'm going to be doing a lot more videos about this. I'll give a further detailed rundown. We'll get some more sample shots, compare it to different things. I'll probably do some same shots as the old Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera. Some flowers out there. It's springtime again. And kind of compare them and see how the image quality compares to the predecessor. But we'll definitely be doing a lot of videos with this, so make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, as we're going to be checking this thing out, in and out. This was just a quick look, unboxing of it. But yeah, super excited to go play with this, so that's what I'm going to do. I'll see you guys later.